Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this video I will show you which fuses you can try checking in case your radiator fans are not working and your minivan is overheating. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. All the fuses and the relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery. Now, to access the fuses, you'll have to lift this cover. You'll have two black tabs on the right side. One is here, other one is here. So you want to press onto both of those and lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a nice small fuse diagram. First fuse you'll want to check is fuse number J12, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to the radiator fan motor. Second fuse and the main fuse to check will be fuse number J19, which is a 60 amp fuse. And there is one relay to check. This right here, it's a radiator fan low speed relay. Best way to check it, just try replacing it with any of the other ones of the same kind and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. So to summarize, you want to check two fuses, this one here at the right bottom corner, this big one 60 amp right here, and this relay. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.